What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another jailbreak tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 14.4.2, which is the latest version of iOS from Apple, with checkra1n. Now, just to clarify, this is on the 7 Plus. We're going to go into the device. We're going to go to General. We're going to go to About. Just got done updating it for this tutorial. As you can see, it's on 14.4.2. So basically this jailbreak will work for iPhone 10 and older. I will show you guys what you need to do if you're on iPhone 10, 8, or 8 Plus. There's an extra step, an extra button you have to enable within checkra1n. Like I said, I will show you guys how to do that. But a good practice that I like to do, even on the 7 Plus, I've heard this isn't required. This step is required for iPhone 10, 8, and 8 Plus, is go into Settings, and go down to the Touch ID and passcode, and then you want to churn this off. So you do churn passcode off, turn off, and then it's going to ask us to put in our Apple ID. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and do that. Okay, now we just need to confirm one more time, to turn off the passcode on our device. Like I said, that is required for the iPhone 10, the 8, and the 8 Plus. It should be updated at some point for checkra1n. Currently, at the time of me making this video, it is not updated for that. So just be sure to check out the checkra1n website. I'll leave a link for it. But anyways, we're going to jump onto the computer here now. So to download checkra1n, just go to the checkra1n website. I'll leave the direct link in the description. So make sure you guys go to the correct website. I know there's a lot of fake ones out there. Like I said, the link is in the description. But this does support Mac and Linux at the making of this video. There is no Windows version. If you guys are on Windows, I know there is a workaround for this. Basically, what you need to do is install Linux onto a flash drive and then boot up your Windows device with Linux, and then you can use checkra1n. Unfortunately, I do not have a Windows computer, so I can't do the tutorial, but it is possible to do it on Windows. But we are on the Mac, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on Get the Beta Now, and then just so you guys know, this is checkra1n version 0.12.2 beta. So this may be updated in the future. If it is, I will do an updated tutorial. But all you got to do is click on Download, and then it will download the checkra1n application. And that is in our download. So I'm just going to click on the disk image, the .dmg. And then you get this little pop-up here. So we're just going to drag it into our applications. I already have it in there, so I'm just going to click on Replace. And now that it is in our applications, we can go ahead and go into our Finder here. We can go to Applications. Now what you want to do is right-click on it and click Open. And as you can see, cannot be verified. Click Cancel, right-click, Open again. And now you can bypass it by clicking Open. So now we have checkra1n open. Now there's a couple of things we do need to set up in options. As you can see, sorry, iPhone 7 Plus Global is supported, but iOS 14.4.2 is not. I do have this confirmed. It works perfectly fine on 14.4.2. So what we're going to need to check is allow untested iOS versions, just by turning that on. Now, if you guys are on the iPhone 8, the 8 Plus, or the iPhone 10, you have to turn on this option here, Skip A11 BPR Check. So if you're on those 3 devices, turn that on as well in order for the jailbreak to work. And I'm going to turn on verbose boot because it looks freaking sweet. So we'll turn that on. Now all we got to do is click on Start, and you get a warning. The device is running an iOS version which was not confirmed. It's fine, just click OK. And now checkra1n is going to put our device into recovery mode. So we'll click on next. And as you can see, the 7 Plus is going into recovery mode automatically with checkra1n. All right, so now we need to put it into Dfu mode. Now it tells you on screen here how you do it for your device specifically. So this is how you do it for the iPhone 7 Plus, because that's what I'm showing you. Basically, we're gonna hold the side button and the volume down button together both at the same time for 4 seconds, and then release the side button but continue holding the volume down button for up to 10 more seconds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my hands ready here on the buttons, and I'm just gonna click on start. Now I'm holding both of them. Release the side button, continue holding that volume down button. And this should put our device into Dfu mode. And we are good. Now the device is going into Dfu mode, and basically checkra1n is going to boot up the phone with the jailbreak. And that's basically how it works. And we do have verbose boot enabled, so we get all of this cool stuff on screen, as you guys can see here. So as you can see, it is jailbreaking Apple's latest iOS 14.4.2. That is the beauty with checkra1n, is you can basically forever use it on these older devices because it is a low-level boot ROM exploit, meaning it's a hardware-based exploit. So the only way Apple could ever patch this jailbreak is if they forced you to send your iPhone in and they changed the boot ROM on it, but that'll never happen, so we'll forever have a jailbreak on these devices. But we're done booting back up, so let's go ahead and jump into our iPhone, and as you can see, there is the checkra1n application, so we'll go ahead and launch it, and this will allow us to install Cydia, so we're going to go ahead and install Cydia. And now this will take a few seconds to download, so I'll let it go ahead and just do its thing. And there we go. Now we got Cydia, so we can go ahead and launch it. And there we go. We're probably going to have a bunch of important updates in Cydia, so I would advise you guys on making all of those updates. As you can see, 4 essential upgrades plus a bunch more. If we go to Cydia here, as you guys can see, there it is on 14.4.2 jailbroken with checkra1n. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check out the playlist links down in the description. I have jailbreak update videos and also official jailbreak tutorials. So if you guys are watching this and it seems outdated, check out that playlist. I keep everything up to date in those playlists. They are very powerful if you guys want the most up-to-date news and information on any kind of jailbreak. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.